Hello everyone, good morning. The first I want to introduce myself. My name is the Islamiati, and now I want to explain about my proposal and the title of the effect of mental health and work-life balance and job satisfaction with psychological capital as a moderating variables and BPJS Kesehatan branch office in Jakarta. And the first about the research background, BPJS Kesehatan or Social Security Agency for Health is a strategic institution in the implementation of national health insurance, serving the public on a large scale. High service demand, regulatory dynamic, and complex workload require employees to perform optimally under high pressure conditions. This situation makes employee psychological well-being a crucial issue to address. And the next about the empirical conditions based on initial observations, BPJS Kesehatan employees, particularly in the Jakarta area, face pressure from work target, high work volumes, and difficulty maintaining a balance between work and the personal life. These conditions have the potential to cause stress and emotional exhaustion, ultimately reducing job satisfaction and the quality of public service. And the next about the resource gap, most previous research examining mental health, work-life balance, and job satisfaction has focused on the private sector. Research in the public sector, particularly BPJS Kesehatan or Social Security Agency for Health, as a mass service organization, remains relatively limited. Furthermore, the role of psychological capital as a moderating variables in the relationship has not been widely studied, opening up opportunities for further research. And the next about the research problem, based on this background and the research gap, the research problem formulation of this study is whether mental health and work-life balance influence employee job satisfaction. The whether psychological capital can strengthen the relationship between these two variable and job satisfaction. And the next about the research objectives. The objectives of the study is to analyze the influence of mental health and work-life balance on job satisfaction of BPJS Kesehatan employees and to examine the role of psychological capital as a moderating variables that strengthen this relationship. Okay, and the next about the benefit of research. The first theoretical, this research is expected to enrich studies on human resource management and organizational behavior in the public sector. And the second about the practical. Practically, the results of the study are expected to serve as a basic for BPJS Kesehatan in formulating HR management policies that focus on employee psychological well-being. Okay, and the next about the research variable. The first for the independent variables is mental health for X1 and work-life balance for X2. And the second about the dependent variables is job satisfactions. And the last moderating variable is psychological capital. Okay, for the mental health, The conclusion, based on the view of Sigmund Freud, Abraham Maslow, and Carl Rogers, mental health can be understood as a state of psychological well-being characterized by an individual's ability to establish health and productive emotional relationship with others, function adaptively in social and work activities, and manage internal personality dynamic in the balanced manner. Okay, and the next about the work-life balance. In conclusion, work-life balance can be defined as a condition in which an individual is able to manage and carry out work and non-work life roles harmoniously and and adaptively without experiencing extensive role conflict or significant loss of personal resource. Okay, the next about the psychological capital. Uh, for the psychological capital can be defined as an individual state of positive psychological development that serves as a core personal resource in dealing with job demand and environmental pressures. Okay, for the last about the variable job satisfaction, therefore it can be concluded that satisfaction can be defined as an individual's positive emotional state and emotional state and attitude toward their work that arise as a result of the fulfillment of psychological needs, the presence of intrinsic motivating factors, and the quality of a fair and supportive reciprocal relationship between the employee and the organization. Okay, for the hypothesis of this study is that mental health and work-life balance have a positive effect on job satisfaction and psychological capital moderates this relationship. This study used a quantitative approach with a survey method of employees at the Jakarta branch of BPJS Kesehatan, which was analyzed using appropriate statistical analysis technique. Okay, for the research methodology for the first, this study use a quantitative approach with a cross-sectional research design. And the second, this research was conducted at the BPJS Kesehatan in Jakarta branch office located in the Jakarta Special Capital Regions. And the third, the research data was generated from primary and secondary data. Data analysis in the study was conducted using the partial square structural equation modeling or PLSM approach with the assistance of the last version of Smart PLS software. And the last, the population in the study was all employees of the BPJS Kesehatan branch office, consisting of permanent and contract employees. Based on the sample size suggested by Morgan, since the study population at the BPJS Kesehatan in Jakarta branch was estimated at 436 employees. The study respondents were 200 employees. Okay, for the last, about the conclusions, mental health and work-life balance are important factor influencing job satisfaction among BPJS Kesehatan employees. Good mental health and on optimal work-life balance encourage a, a positive work attitude and reduce job stress. Psychological capital are, as a psychological resource that strengthen the influence of mental health and work-life balance on job satisfactions. This resource is expected to provide theoretical contributions to public sector HRM studies and practical recommendation from BPJS Kesehatan HR Management. Okay, that's all my presentations. Thank you.